here we have an S3. It's fitted to a Triumph that's gone faulty. And luckily for the Triumph owners, it's connected via the Triumph alarm plug. So what we can do is, it's a nice simple swap over. We're going to just unplug this and plug in a Meta M357. Simple plug and play swap over, minimal amount of work. I'll also be using this for people who have the S3 fitted to non-Triumph bikes, which are hardwired in. I'm going to also show you how the direct plug and play S3 kit will be can be used to swap over the alarm with a plug and play S3 M357 kit. So that's on a separate video for those of you who haven't got the Triumph plug and play system. But this one I'll show you how to swap over. Right, using this is a Torx T10 screwdriver with a hole in it. It's got a little security hole. I don't think you can see that. We're going to now undo the cover. Now on some, you can see the alarm goes through here into a cover. Under there is the Triumph alarm plug, and this goes into the Triumph loop. This is the older type system. We've got to remove that cover. If it's not fitted, that's fine. You'll go on to the next section of the video. If it is fitted, you're going to have to remove this. It's quite simple to do. I'll show you. Blanking plugs here. Under there, some Torx T10 screws. So to remove it, easiest thing to do is just drill a hole and just pull. As you can see, there's a blanking plug there. Just discard that. Again, there's the other blanking plug. Drill in there, pull it out. As you can see, yeah, underneath there, and we're going to do the other side. I've already done the other side already to save time. Under there, you've got T10 security screws, and you can undo it with this screwdriver. It's a T10 Torx with a security hole. So we can supply these separately if you need one, but most people have these in their kits now. So undo the security screws. Both sides, there's two on each side. There we go. There it is. There's the alarm plug. So remove, just squeeze the end, unplug it, and now we can completely remove the S3 from the bike. There it is, the S3 removed. This plug goes to the seat switch. We're going to wire in the magnetic seat switch, which is much more reliable than the mechanical one, which is supplied with the Meta alarm. Now we're going to use the Meta M357 plug and play replacement adapter loom. This particular one comes with there's two types of loom. One comes with the extra wires for the LED, because the LED is not built into the clocks. So if you order one of these, make sure you order the standard loom or depending on the bike you've got. So it's either going to be, if you've got the LED built-in bike, you just want the standard loom. If you've got the LED that's separate, such as this, which you have to run it in separately, order the loom with the separate wiring. Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm literally just going to put it here. I'm just going to plug the alarm in. That's literally it. We've just replaced the alarm system. Also, for those of you who haven't got the alarm system and want to install an alarm on your bike, That's how easy it is. This is what dealers do. We're going to wake up the alarm won't be working yet. Wake it up, turn the ignition on, turn the ignition off, and the fobs will now be working. Right, the alarm is now mounted, as you can see. It's basically, I've mounted it temporarily just to show you, because I'm going to take all this off and I'm going to show you how to bypass the S3 as if it wasn't fitted to a Triumph, but it's sort of a temporary fix just to show you how it all connects in. Alarm securely mounted, tucked away. The alarm plug here. What I suggest you do, tape that up. It comes with some supplied insulating tape. Tape it up there. Make sure you put the covers on. I'm not going to do that at the moment. Make sure you put the protective cover on there. We've got the seat switch, and I'm going to show you that working, and I'll show you the seat switch on the seat, which can be seen here. And basically when that gets in contact, it magnetically operates the micro switch. Operates the micro switch in the seat. That disarms the immobiliser. 2 beeps now indicates the alarm is armed. So if someone comes on, in the first 30 seconds you can actually test the sensors. So what we do is, if we open the seat up now, you hear it beep. That's telling you the sensor's working perfectly. The LED can be found, the LED wire for the 2002 Sprint can be actually found on the same loom on the auxiliary light here. But you're going to have to take the whole fairing has to come out and get a hold of the wire. Instead of me doing that, what I did, I ran a whole new wiring and wired it from the clocks, which you can see here. And there's the LED we installed. So I didn't have to take all the clocks, the whole fairing off to get at it, which is quite a job, because literally every panel's got to come off to get at that fairing, or to get at the wiring. The alarm's been installed, all the bodywork panels put together, and now I'm going to show you the functions of the alarm and how it works and stuff. So firstly, when you press the button, that single bleep indicates the alarm is now unimmobilised and you can start the vehicle, which I'll do. After switching off the ignition, 30 seconds later, the alarm will immobilise itself and you can't start it. So I won't wait for that. So now to fully arm the alarm, press the button again. We're going to get 2 beeps. That's telling us the alarm is now in its armed mode. And after 30 seconds, it will be fully armed. When you arm it, the LED will be flashing away. I'll show you that now. So when you arm it, 2 bleeps. And the smaller LED, which is here, flash away quite quickly. Once the flash slows to about half the speed, the alarm will fully arm. At this moment in time we can test the seat sensor, which I'll show you in a second. I'll just wait to show you when the alarm's fully armed. There it is. Now it's flashed slowly in a second. There we go. The alarm is now fully armed. If anyone wants to tamper the bike, open the seat up, hot wire it or move it, the alarm will go off. I'm now going to move the bike to show you the alarm working. Remember, this is not a shock sensor. A bit of shock won't affect it, only movement of the vehicle. So if I try and shake it, nothing. But if you move it, also, I'll now test the seat sensor, so we just arm it and we'll attempt to open the seat up. You'll notice it will just beep. That indicates that the seat sensor is working perfectly and everything's okay with it. And that's basically it. That's it now. That's how a working M357 TV2 alarm functions. Thank you.